CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.9 Identify common features and tools of the Linux Client Desktop Operating System. Package Management. At some point, every system needs new software, updates, or even the occasional cleanup of programs that are no longer needed. In a Linux operating system, all of this is handled through something called package management. Package management is how software is installed, updated, and removed in a Linux system. Instead of downloading programs from a website like you might in other operating systems, Linux uses package managers to handle software in a more organized and secure way. In this video segment, we'll focus on two commonly used package managers, apt or apt, and dnf. Let's start with the apt command, which is used on many Debian-based Linux systems to install, update, and remove software packages from centralized repositories. Think of a repository as a trusted online source where software is stored. When you use apt, your system connects to this source, downloads the software, and installs it for you. There are 3 core commands you should be familiar with. To install new software, you can run sudo apt install, followed by the package name. To refresh the list of available software from the repository, you can run sudo apt update. And to upgrade the software currently installed on the system, you can run sudo apt upgrade. Now let's look at dnf. The dnf command accesses another package manager used on various Linux systems, like Red Hat Linux, to install, update, and remove software packages. It performs the same core functions as apt, but it is used on different Linux systems, meaning the command you use depends on the Linux environment you are working in. While the command name is different, the overall process remains the same. The system connects to a repository, downloads the requested software, and installs any required dependencies automatically. There are 3 core commands you should be familiar with. To install new software, you can run sudo dnf install, followed by the package name. To refresh and update the software on the system, you can run sudo dnf update. And in some environments, you may also see sudo dnf upgrade, which performs a similar function by applying available updates. Just like apt, dnf is designed to simplify software management by handling both the installation process and any supporting components needed for the software to run properly. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.